The blind is crumpled and off, affecting beauty. There are many reasons. Sun, people, and design issues. They can cause damage. Don't stress over it. You chose the top model, so you must deal with its future use. Take down the inner ceiling. Remove the sunroof. Take off the glass. Remove the motor. Remove the broken clips on both sides and install new ones in their place. It's clear from comparison that there are breakage marks. Insert the clips. Ensure both sides sliding blocks are aligned when installing clips. Use a small screwdriver. Make the slider parallel. Press down on the roller blind's clip with a screwdriver. Take out the roller shade. Realign and roll the roller shade to maintain a neat appearance on both sides. Put it into one end of the roller shade's pin. Counterclockwise, turn the roller shade 3 to 5 times. It will feel powerful, much like a clock's winding mechanism. It feels strong. Put it into the other end of the roller shade. Pull the roller shade out about 10 centimeters from the other side. Fold the roller shade. Place the folded edge of the roller shade into the slider. Put it into the track. It is vital to get this step right, as it is where mistakes often happen. Ensure the slider is in the right place. Install the opposite end similarly. Let me repeat this. Fold the roller blind sides to fit into the slider. Continue to pull out the roller blind, allowing the head end to enter the trough. Slide the blind back and forth for testing. Check the blind's movement. Check for automatic retraction when pulling out. This step is key. It will look wrinkled if not done right. It won't work. Secure screws. Tighten screws. Reattach skylight. Replace the cap. Before the inner top, check everything. Match. Match the blind. Press and hold the roller blind switch, and it will gradually adjust its position automatically. Install the inner top when ready.